guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to open this Captivz Mega Surprise egg. I can't wait. Alright, let's see what are we going to get. So this is my first time opening or hatching this type of egg. Here we go. So inside we have this big bag with a dinosaur Jurassic World symbol on it. And this collecting guide. It looks like the same one that you would get in the smaller egg. So there are so many dinosaurs in here. Let's see what is this. Oh, it's a play mat. You could play a game on it. Are we ready? Here we go. Oh my, there's a lot of stuff in here. So the dice is for the game with the playmat earlier. Okay, let's check in this little case. One bag in this case. Let's see what we will get. Here we go. We got sticky. Oh, it's cute. Sticky. Alright, now it's time for the first egg. Let's see. And the second one. We are going to unwrap these two eggs first, and then we are going to see what inside. So inside there's a slime. Each one has a red, orange slime and a bag in each one. So we're gonna cut the bag and see what inside. But look at this sticky slime. It should be fun to play with too. But I honestly like the newer version. That's the slime come in the different bag. So the first egg we got Carnotaurus. Let's see this one. What do you think? What are we going to get? Here we go. Oh, a sea tail of, it's blue. I love blue. Here she is. To put her together, you kind of have to put the line, the blue line together, and she will come out perfectly after you align that line. So I also want to check if this little case will hold all three dinosaurs. Let's see, 1, 2, 3. Perfect. Bye. Hope to see you in the next video. And thank you for watching.